Hello my beautiful gorgeous babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in today. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing my August Boxycharm base box and a premium box unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing everything I ended up getting, hearing more about Boxycharm, and just coming to hang out with me, then keep on watching. Alright my beauties, I hope everyone is doing well and are just staying happy and healthy as best as you can. But if you are new here and you like fashion, makeup, you just want to hang out, then hit that subscribe button, join this little family we got going on, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know you guys are enjoying these kind of videos. Also leave comments, feedback, let me know what kind of videos you want to see on this channel. I love hearing from all of y'all, but I just wanted to get that out there before we jump into the video. So now we can get into it. Alright, so if you haven't heard of Boxycharm, it's a beauty subscription. They have 3 different tiers. It's monthly. They have a base box, which is $25 plus tax. It comes with like 5 to 6 full-size products. Then they have premium, which is $35, 5 to 6 full-size products. It's also monthly, but it's supposed to have like a higher retail value of the box, more premium products. Then they do have one that is quarterly, which is Boxyluxe. That is a part of the base box. You have to have base box in order to get Boxyluxe, but that comes out every quarter. So instead of getting the smaller box, you'll get Boxyluxe, which is I believe 8 full-size products, and it's just like a bigger product, a bigger box of stuff and a higher value. So that's basically it. Boxycharm also has where you can pick and customize an item in your box. I think Boxyluxe you can do 2 item customizations. They have add-ons. They have these like crazy discounted beauty sales. I will have Boxycharm linked below in case you're interested and wanting to hear more or just look at the subscriptions. It is like a referral link, just letting you know, but that will be in the description for you to check out if you need to get more information or just want to look into it. And yeah, so I'm going to start unboxing base box. Here I will tell you guys the prices of each item, and then at the end of like when I'm done showing all the products, I'll have like the total somewhere in the corner of what the total value was of the box. So here we go. It looks like it's maybe glamping. Glamping is the theme this month, and let's see what we got. So the first thing in here is the Teddy Boy Butter London eyeshadow palette. This retails for $28, and I forgot to tell you my variation is 10. So they have a bunch of different variations in this box. But yes, so what is it saying? It is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette, $28. It's a cool toned palette. We'll see. I actually wanted to get this palette. I think they had some other palette options, but I'm a lover of cool tone shades. I just love cool tone shadows. I know most people lean warm tone on their shadows, but cool tones just do it for me. And here's what the palette looks like. It's nice and cute. It's a little compact. It's good for traveling. This is so cute. It says looking good, darling. I love that. It has like a little mirror. And then here's the shades, all super cool tone. I think it's pretty. This is just my vibe. I don't know why I love cool tones, but I just do. I'm gonna swatch like 2 of the shades. That looks pretty. Okay, I like that. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this palette. Going on to the next thing, I got the, what is it? I got the Clarins Paris one Velvet Lip Perfector. This is in the shade Velvet Nude. This retails for $26. It says it's their best-selling natural lip perfector. Go bold with a new matte finish. Okay, interesting. And then this is what the lipstick itself looks like. It's very pretty. Is it focusing? There we go. And then here's what the top looks like. Oh, I've already like swatched this before, but it has like a little like spongy tip, and then it has like almost a moussey texture, but I like it a lot. This is definitely like a nude I would wear. It's pretty. I like the finish. It has a very moussey texture, and I like that finish. Very good. I'm excited about this right here. Then we're gonna go on. What else did I get? Okay, we got the mini tan body skin Hydra Glow sleep serum. So this is what the bottle looks like. It has a pump on top, and this is a triple action hyaluronic acid serum for all skin types. This retails for $44.95, which I think is kind of pricey because to me the packaging definitely looks like on the cheaper end for a $44 product. Alright, so the next item I got was the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. This is what it looks like, the box. It's cute. I like the little box that came in. And this retails for $20. It's cruelty-free primer that's supposed to enhance your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. This is what the bottle looks like. So it's a standard squeezy tube for an eyeshadow primer. And let's see if it has any kind of pigment to it or if it's clear or what. Let's see. Okay. So this is what the primer looks like. It's like kind of pink and it looks like it goes on sheer. It has like a very smooth, like kind of almost silicone feel to it, but it's like one of those clear eyeshadow primers, which I'm fine with. I don't care whether it's clear or pigmented. As long as it works, I'm happy. You can never have too much eyeshadow primer because I use it every day, so I'm happy to get one of those. I just hope that it works. The next thing, is there a next thing? Oh, last but not least, this is the item I picked in my box. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I got mine in the shade Warm Beige. I actually already have this product. It retails for $29, but I already know that I like this product. I just ended up getting a darker shade that would work better for me when I'm tan from like the summertime. So that's why I ended up picking up this, and I just knew I love this product, so that's why I picked it. But I love it. It's so good. It's a natural finish concealer. It has great coverage. It just goes on so well on the skin. It's not cakey. I absolutely love that concealer, so I'm happy that that was a choice in the box. But that was $29. Alright, so the whole retail value for this box was $147.95. That's so crazy. It's so good. I just love subscription boxes because you get to try so many things for like a great price. $25, but $147 worth of product. And I'm very happy, especially with this concealer, because I know I love it, and it's $29, so that pretty much covered the box, and then I got additional items. I'm actually really excited about this lip product. I like how it feels, like the finish, and I love the shade. I'm always cool with getting a serum because I go through them like crazy, and I'm cool with getting the eyeshadow primer, honestly, and the palette. And of course I love cool tone palettes. I love how small and like travel friendly that is. I'm happy. I think the base box this month was really good and definitely worth it for me, so I'm happy when that works out, because sometimes the boxes I hate. Like none of them was something I was excited about, or maybe one item works. But anyways, let's go on to premium. This one is the $35 a month box. It's supposed to have a higher retail value in here, and you're just supposed to get, I guess, higher valued products. Alright, so the first product I got in premium was the Ole Henriksen Truth Bright All Day Blur and Prime Face Primer. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to try this product for so long now, and I was so happy that this was one of the choice items, so I snagged this up so quick. I've heard so many good things about this primer, and I believe it's like in the $30 range, so this pretty much paid for my box, and then I got additional things, so I'm really happy with that. So I can't wait to try that. Then I got this lipstick from MAC. This is in the shade Dubonnet. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's definitely a fall shade, which is definitely one that I would use. Okay, that is really pretty. This is the shade. I love that. It's gonna be perfect for the fall time. Let's see, let's swatch it. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's like a reddy berry toned shade. I love that. And I think this is in, let me see, in their matte formula. No, this is their creme lipstick formula. And you know, MAC, they make great lipsticks. You can't go wrong with a matte lipstick. Then I got this palette right here. This is from Ciate. This is the editor's palette. I like this outer carton. This is cute. Let's see. Okay. Alright, and then here is the outer palette. I love this design. This pink with like the little, I think, leaves on here. I think that's really pretty. I love that. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Ooh, this is pretty. It's more in like a muted vibe, I would say. But I do think these shades are really beautiful. I love the cool tone shades in here. And I like that this is leaning more metallic than matte. I'm more of a metallic girl. So I'd rather have more shimmers in my palettes than mattes. I think most people are the opposite for me on that and like more mattes than anything. But this is pretty. I love this. I wish I had the card. It's an 18-piece eyeshadow palette. I wish I had like the little paper so I could tell you guys the prices, but let's swatch some of them. Alright, so here is some of the shades in here. It's very pretty. I like these. There's like little shimmery specks in it. I don't think you can see them in the camera, but it looks really like a sparkly finish through these metallics. So I'm really excited. I think these are pretty. I can't wait to try this out. I like kind of like that muted look to the palette. All right, going on. We have a Milk Longwear Gel Eyeliner. Okay, cool. I like Milk as a brand. I haven't tried too much of their products, but here it is. It looks like what? Oh, okay. So we have a spongy tip. I guess that is to like kind of blend it out or make it like that. Oh, okay. So this is, what is the shade? So it has a smudger and then the pencil part. I don't even know what the shade name is, but it's a nude shade, which is fine with me. I love using nude shades in the waterline, so that's cool. It's like a beigey shade. Can you even see that? Huh. Okay, cool. I can work with that. I can work with a nude eyeliner. And then we have 2 more items in the box. I got this Daily Concepts Daily Detoxing Massaging Brush, which I actually have been wanting to get one of these for some time now. It's supposed to be like good, like it's called like dry brushing. It's supposed to be like a help detox somehow. I don't know too much behind dry brushing, but I've been wanting to try that. So I'm really excited to see this. It says it's a detox brush will be your new BFF for your daily skincare ritual. You can use it dry or wet, scrub and repeat. You can also use it with your favorite wash or standalone for dry brushing, so it's multi-use. I love that. I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna look more into dry brushing because I don't really know too much about it, but I'm excited to have one of those to give it a try. We'll have to see if that actually helps or do anything. I think something maybe with circulation too. I don't know. You guys let me know more about dry brushing if you do in the comments below. But the last item in the box is the Dermalex XL Lash Volumizer. I'm assuming it's a mascara. Let's see. It says it's supposed to transform lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger, specially formulated to target thin, weak, brittle lashes. So I'm assuming that this is a mascara, but also has a formula in here that's supposed to help enhance your lashes and make them thicker and all that. But this is what it looks like, the container. Okay, cool. I'm not going to open it up yet because I have a lot of mascaras and I want to maintain the life on this, but I'm excited. Anything that's going to help enhance my lashes, I'm all about. But I think that was it. That was everything in my premium box. I definitely have to say, I think I liked my base box more this month, and that happened last month as well. So I don't know why that's happening. I would figure that the premium box should have more premium products and be the better box in my mind, at least, but I know it goes based on your preferences and what you like. But I don't know, I feel like base box has just been doing a better job, so I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to stick with premium. I don't know if it's worth the extra $10 because I don't really see, I haven't been seeing much of a difference with the quality and the prices and the value of the box than the other one. I will have the value in the corner here. I don't have the card, so I have no idea what this total out to, but that's just my overall thoughts. I don't see much of a difference. I don't know, you guys let me know if you think there's a difference between premium and base. That was it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this month's boxes. Did you get your box? Are you loving it? Are you gonna try Boxycharm yourself? Give me a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. But anyways, guys, that was it for this video. Hang in there, stay healthy and happy, but until next time, bye guys.